burger bread. And of course, we have a vegetable, lettuce, and merong tomato, and sliced onion. Syempre pa, the cheese, and mustard. Yun lang ang kailangan natin sa nagagawin ngayon. Sa ingredients na to. Yun lang ang ingredients ng simpleng burger a la Aurela. So, yes. Now, kung gusto mo yung mustard, so put it more. But a little bit will be fine. Para lang magka-taste yan ng mustard, of course. Iba rin kasi yung may mustard paste ang ating burger. Yan. Kasi, and of course, ilagay ko agad yung vegetables. More vegetables, he likes it. For sure. For sure, sasabihin na naman niya, not good. As always. So, yan. I-layer natin siya dyan. And ilagay natin, kasi magbibigay ako ng double cheese. So, I prepare na ilagay na yung cheese dito. So, yan. And ilagay ko na yung burger. Yes, yung homemade burger. Nandyan na siya. At nailagay na natin yung burger. Lagyan natin siya ng tomato. Hindi siya masyadong fan ng tomato, kaya isang tomato lang. Pero ako, I love it. So I will make it, definitely I will put more tomato. So yun lang ang simpleng burger a la Aurela. One more layer cheese para masaya ang buhay. More cheese. And here we go. My homemade burger is ready to serve with. See kung ano ang judgment niya. So, yan. Look. Yummy. See? So, yan. Okay. And of course, I will make another one for me. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan ang sarili. Mustard. And mustard. Rub, 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 rub. Spread, spread, spread. Ayun. Mainit. Mainit pa ang bread. So, yes. More vegetables for me. Like this. And put more tomato. Mr. Long! Your burger is done. Just wait. I made for myself. So, yan dyan. Dyan, dyan, dyan. For sure, he will say, not good. Okay? Ang aking burger. Wow. This is a beef. Ginawa ko yung minced beef. Ako mismo yung gawa ng minced beef. So, yan. More onion para sa ating antioxidant. And of course, tomato for life for me. And if he has 2 cheese, I should have 2 cheese also. Tring! Finished! Ooh! Yummy! Shh, look. So, this is mine. Yummy. Who wants to order? Okay. So, lunch is ready. My boss have milk tea. Meron siyang milk tea. And of course, the homemade burger. And ito naman sa akin. Gusto ko hot chocolate. So, hot chocolate for me. And burger. Double cheeseburger. Double cheeseburger. So, final judge. We'll see si Amo for sure. He will say not good. Busy pa siya. Di pa siya nalabas. But, kakain ako. Burger, burger! Appreciated my burger for a long time. I do that for you, but you never say good. Today, you like it. Thank you so much. I will make that some other time. Just let me know, okay?